This routine helps to get rid of excessive oil buildup, which in return prevents clogged pores, acne, textured skin, and blackheads, leaving your skin smooth and texture-free. Clogged pores are one of the quiet culprits behind acne and blackheads. So this routine is just not for treatment, it's for prevention. And something I've realized is that clogged pores are often the first whisper that something is off. They show up quietly, then suddenly you're dealing with breakouts, blackheads, and texture. So this isn't a miracle routine, it's a ritual I can come back to when I want to prevent that build-up and give my skin a chance to breathe. It's simple, it's intentional, and consistent. And if your skin has been feeling congested or just out of rhythm, this might be a good place to begin with. Step 1, I'm going in with a gentle cleansing oil. This one is from Simple. It's the Simple Hydrating Cleansing Oil. I take about 5 drops into my palm and use that to gently cleanse my skin. This breaks down makeup, sunscreen, and excessive sebum. You know, the surface junk that contributes to all that congestion, this will help to break them down. Using a cleansing oil as your first step of your skincare routine is very important, especially if you have oily skin, because you use oils to break down oil. So if you naturally have excessive oil production, you use sunscreen which is made of oils, and you use makeup, you have to use a cleansing oil to first break down all that oil, because that's just how the formulation works. You use oil to break down oils. So this is going to make sure that every ounce, every droplet of oil on your skin is being broken down properly. So I'm going to do this for 60 seconds and go in with a little bit of water in my palm to further emulsify the cleansing oil. This is where the proper breakdown of oil components happen. This step is really important, and you can go ahead to wipe it off or rinse off with lukewarm water. But I rinsed off mine with lukewarm water. Now, after rinsing that off, I'm going to let my skin air dry for about 1 to 2 minutes because I'm going in with a clay mask next. And for step 2, I'm using a salicylic acid clay cleanser. This one is from Crichton's. It's the Crichton salicylic acid foaming clay cleanser, and this also has lactic acid as well. And I'm just going to apply that all over my face and neck like a mask. This works deeper because salicylic acid is oil soluble, so it enters into your pore lining to decongest from within, while the clay absorbs impurities. Now again, if you are oily skin, your best friend will be a salicylic acid product, the ingredient itself, because this will help to eliminate all that oil buildup that causes clogged pores and textured skin. And also, if you can find a salicylic acid product that comes in form of a clay mask, that's a double win for you, because clay also helps to absorb impurities as well. So a 2-in-1 like this is an absolute steal. So I'm going to apply that all over and let it sit and dry down for about 5 minutes, and I'll be back. And after 5 minutes, the clay mask is all dried down, and my next step would be to go in with a little bit of water in my palm and start cleansing my skin in circular motion. Now, just like we did with the cleansing oil, this step helps to break down the oil components. So it's just like the clay mask was able to trap all those oils and the impurities, and now we are using water to break them down and pull them out of the pores in a circular motion. This is very important, and this process also helps to get rid of dirt as well. And after this, I'm going to go ahead again and rinse it off with lukewarm water. And after rinsing all that off, my skin feels so clean, so soft, and so smooth. It feels like I pulled out every junk and every impurity out of my pores. So basically, my pores are clear. And the next step would be to go in with a pH balancing toner, because after acids and active cleansers, your skin craves balance, and that's what toners are made for. Toners are made to balance your skin's microbiome and restore your skin's pH. So a well-formulated toner helps to restore your skin's harmony so that the next steps absorb better. So what this means is, when your skin's pH is balanced and your skin's microbiome is healthy, it helps and promotes the absorption of other products. So when you use your serums and all that, it absorbs efficiently and works efficiently. And I've been working with this Acwell pH balancing cleansing toner for about 3 years now. It's my my holy grail back to back. It helps to cleanse the pores, and it also contains licorice extract as well, which helps to promote skin brightening and fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation. It's so good for oily skin. And for step 4, I'll be going in with a hydrating product, and I sometimes switch between a sheet mask or an essence. And for this video, I'll be using the Snail Mucin Power Essence from COSRX. Now, believe it or not, if you have oily skin, your best bet is to use hydrating products. Because your skin produces excessive oil doesn't mean you should stay away from hydrating products. Hydrating products are really what makes your skin produce less oil. And when your skin produces less oil, the less you have clogged pores, acne, and textured skin. So I'm going to use a few pumps of that and apply that all over my face and my neck area. And for step 5, of course, I'm going in with a niacinamide serum, my absolute favorite. This is one from Beauty Formulas. A niacinamide serum is a true multitasker. It regulates oil, minimizes the look of large pores, and also strengthens your skin's barrier. It's quite a workhorse that brings long-term results, which is why I love it. So if you're struggling with textured skin, using a niacinamide serum consistently will improve the quality and feel of your skin. So I do a few drops of this all over my face and my neck. And of course, for the final step, I'm finishing up with a moisturizer. This one is from Simple, and if you know me so well, you know this is my go-to. Like, my love for this moisturizer doesn't have a copy. It has a light and hydrating finish that seals everything in without suffocating your pores. So when you think of this moisturizer, just think hydration without heaviness, because of course you have textured skin and acne and clogged pores because you have large pores with excessive oil production. So when you have large pores, you should tend to stay away from heavy products. So when you think of moisturizer, think of lightweight moisturizers because they are less heavy. They are lightweight and they will not clog your pores, and this one is one of the best fit, if I do say so myself. And this simple routine is what helps me prevent acne breakouts, clogged pores, textured skin, and it just keeps my skin feeling and looking smooth and soft. You don't have to wait for acne to pop up before you give it attention. You should indulge in frequent acne prevention at least 2 to 3 times a week with this type of products. This routine is very gentle, it's consistent, and is very barrier friendly. It's not harsh, it's not about overcorrecting. It's skincare that meets your skin where it is and preventing issues before they surface. Of course, prevention is care too. So that's it. I hope this video helps, and if you liked it, please don't forget to give me a like, comment, and also share this video to your friends and your loved ones. My socials are linked in the description box, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye.